Magandang umaga, guten morgen, Barista Richie here. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my delicious hot chocolate here at home. Yes, stay tuned, let's go! First of all, we need 1 tablespoon chocolate powder, a little bit hot water, This is Graef Milk Frother machine. If you are not good in steaming, this will be your best friend. In this machine, you can make hot and cold fine foam milk. You can press the upper button if you like hot milk, and you can press the lower button if you like cold milk. And when the light is off, your milk is ready to go. And if you want more delicious hot chocolate, you can put also chocolate granules. Add some milk. And press the upper button if you like hot chocolate. The good thing in this machine, you can make for cocktail drinks, cappuccino, latte macchiato, or for example, parsley soup or pumpkin soup. And the last part is the decoration, or we call love. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. I hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Tschüss!